Okay, Rock and Blues Fiddle Jam Atoodz book. I'm working with the D minor section of the book, and we're in the fourth section of D minor. We already did level 1, which is easy stuff, level 2, which brings in the blues notes, in between notes, the flat fifth and other things, and level 3 was the crazy harder stuff. And in the fourth section of each lesson in the book, in D minor that we are now, it deals with Atoodz, is my own term. These are like little mini songs to apply what you've learned in the exercises previous. So Atoodz number 1 in D minor from the Atoodz book goes like this, and I'll teach it to you. That's it. Now I'm going to speed it up. The idea with these things, they're not super hard. Just get them to the point where they are comfortable and groove as if you wrote them. All right? Even though I wrote them. Speed it up a little bit. So it's kind of cool, little tune in itself. You can repeat it over and over, and you wander around your backyard or something outside. Anyways, let's slow it down. It's in the key of D, and D minor in this case. 2 Ds, D, C, D, C. Low F, low 2 F, C. There's the first measure. Again, that first measure. You got it? And now the second measure is more rhythmic. It's 1 and on the C, and a, rest, rest, rest. One more time. Rest, rest. Let's put those two measures together. Ready, go. Rest. You got it? The third measure, similar to the first. Ready, go. Third, F, G, F, A, D, A. A little. In the blues, you can slide around. Is it flat 3? Is it regular 3? Is it somewhere between? Is it smooshed around there? That's okay. So we got 3 measures in. Start from the first. Rest, rest, rest. Fourth measure. Rest, A flat, rest, G, rest. So fourth measure, rest, A flat, rest, G, rest, F, G, F, D. Let's try the second half of this exercise, of this Atoodz number 1. It's the measures 3 and 4. Rest. Same thing again. Now, I know that the bowing, if you do it strictly as written, comes out backwards on the second half than it does the first half. That's okay. I didn't do a whole lot with bowings in this book. This is more about the other hand. I encourage you to do your own bowings. If you want to put a slur in there in the second measure so you turn out down bow on the third measure, So it's similar to the first measure. That's quite violinistic. Go for it. Do whatever you want. So I just played it as written to not confuse people that are watching. But I might do that. I might put some slurs in. Do whatever you want. I might have improved it by putting a slur there, but I want you to do your own thing. All right. With me, medium speed. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Go faster. More time. And there you have it. Groove Atoodz number 1 on page, what was that? Page 57 in the Rock and Blues Fiddle Jam Atoodz book, which you can get in a school store at Fiddle Jam Institute. Under the books section. Hope you enjoy. Let me know if you like it or didn't, or if you need more. I can do personal consultations too by webcam. Hope that helps.